All right, everybody. So while I was, in my last video, when you saw me making the using the grilly put grill, making the campfire, batoning some wood, and doing that, making a cup of coffee, I was using my Ursus 45 knife here from White River. This is a knife I picked up from their booth at the Blade Show last year in Atlanta. And they call this special edition because you can see there's some blemishes there where they were trying to laser engrave the logo. Somehow got messed up over here, so they just painted the blade here this black and then kind of coated it right, and then just put this other logo here so you get it a little bit cheaper and it doesn't come with a box. So that's why I picked it up, because it's a really hefty knife, full tang as you can see. It's a CPM 3V steel, so I really like it a lot. And while I was at the Blade Show also, I stopped at one of those booths, and they were giving away these free samples of Wicked Wax. So there's Wicked Wax Protection and Wicked Clean for your cleaning your knives, and they have larger ones that you can buy, but they were giving away these free samples, and I was like, oh cool, I'll try it and protect my knives. I don't do a lot of knife work all the time, but for when I do, if I was skinning a deer or doing, well, this kind of bushcrafting stuff with this knife, then why not have some of this to kind of help protect and preserve your knives. So first what I'll do is I'll just open up, this is the clean version, and let me see on the back, it says www.wickedindustries.net. so if you're interested in this product, you can go there, and I'm sure they sell both. I take basically a cotton patch a cotton patch that I would use for cleaning my muzzle loading gun, and I just kind of put a little bit on here, and then I just kind of run down the knife here and trying to clean it, and just get all that gunk off of it, any kind of residue from when I was cutting the fat wood, or any kind of residue from when I was batoning the wood. So just to kind of turn it over. You got to be careful, obviously I don't want to cut myself, but get that knife, get it all over here. You can see, look at the dirt it's pulling off there. So I'll just kind of use the other side of this pouch, grab a little bit more of this stuff, kind of wipe it, make sure it's nice and clean. I'll do down the spine. It's good for all this, both sides. I'm going to do down the spine here. I'm going to do the handle, the micarta handle, and get this all clean. So yeah, it's absolutely perfect. Kind of just clean this up. And then, look at that. That makes it look absolutely amazing, right? It looks like brand new. So if you look at that, it looks like it's absolutely brand new. So that's the clean part of it. So put that off the side. And then once you're done cleaning, put this back on. You go ahead and use this Wicked Wax. This is for protection. So this is good. Works on steel, wood, leather, and epoxy. It's 100% food safe, all organic ingredients. And this was that, what is it? Depreet Forge. It says HTTPS depreetforge.com shop. So check out that link, and maybe they'll probably sell bigger sizes of this. But I'll just kind of get some of this on here. Kind of do that, okay, and then I'll just kind of wipe on this protective stuff. Keep that knife protected. There we go. So it's got cleaned and wiped off the excess, and then I kind of put this protection on it and keep that knife like absolutely in great shape and working order. Perfect. There we go. I don't want any glumps or anything. I just want nice clean lines. Nice and smooth. On that micarta handle, just kind of keep that. So perfect. So I'll wipe that down. All right. So what do you think about that, man? So that's absolutely perfect. Check that out. Looks brand new out of the box. So clean, protect your knives is very important. Whether they're used for bushcrafting work, like I was doing today with this, splitting some logs and carving some fat wood to start a fire, or whether you have knives for skinning or any other kind of use that you're using your knives for, you got to take care of your tools like everything else. So if you're interested, just go ahead and check out the Wicked Wax and the Wicked Clean. You can find this online anywhere. You can probably find it at the Blade Show in Atlanta coming up in the first weekend in June there, the 7th to the 9th, I think it is. I won't be there this year, but I'm sure there might be some folks either selling this or giving some samples. I highly recommend it. It does a really nice job of taking care of like cleaning up these knives and keeping them protected, and it really looks good. It really looks sharp, and it kind of protects it for you, so they'll last a long time. All right, folks, just wanted to kind of show you that little bit of a product right there as I clean up my knife and ready to head home. So thanks for watching. If you like it, go ahead and click that like and subscribe, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.